This week we are sharing the stories of 70s Texans who battled COVID-19. KETK's Maya Owens is here to begin our week-long series, beating the virus in their own words.
Well, Neil, at 58 years old, Roy Anderson considers it a sign from God that he is still alive. He was one of the first patients at UT Health in Tyler, spending nearly 6 weeks in the hospital, fighting every minute. Here is our special report.
We are praying for you and hoping you find strength with each next day.
Roy Anderson never thought in a million years he would be reading cards from family members, praying he would make it out of the hospital alive.
Life before was very normal, very busy, work hard, play hard, no problems.
A loving grandfather who found joy in fishing, traveling the world working as a distributor of arcade games. He learned quickly just how quickly the virus can spread.
Well, when it first started after I got back from New Orleans on Friday, he had a headache, fever.
Within 4 days, his symptoms went from bad to worse.
I couldn't eat. I would eat nothing, and my blood sugar was super high.
Diabetic for the past 9 years, Roy has always made health a priority and realized something was gravely wrong.
That's when I couldn't breathe. Every 30 minutes was just getting worse and worse, so that's when I headed down. They got me straight in the emergency room.
Inside the hospital, doctors immediately put him on a ventilator, asking permission to use experimental drugs after a COVID-19 test came back positive.
The virus, it didn't scare me that much until they said, we want to put you to sleep and put you on a ventilator. That was the point of, this is so real. This could be it. I made some phone calls. I said some goodbyes if I had to.
For more than 3 weeks, Roy was in a medically induced coma.
They had me on complete life support. My lungs were providing zero support.
Fighting for his life, his family waiting for this smiling face to come back to life.
It's really easy for me. I just slept through it. Everybody else had to worry. It's scary, very scary.
Finally, prayers answered. Out of ICU, Roy left 50 pounds lighter.
The hospital food was great. Well, except for the ER food was.
Now he can finally look back at all he's been through.
Just in case you need a little reminder, nothing is too big for God. Love you. Be good to your nurses. I thought, well, if we get it, we get it, we get well. I didn't know that it would attack me so hard.
With every message,
all those cards started showing up at the hospital.
He's reminded just how precious life is.
After the glitter started falling out of it, I knew who it came from. It was great hearing good reports, many blessings.
Eager to go home, he left surrounded by the ones he now considers family.
Clap for all my nurses. Because I love them, man, I can. I was so happy. They were, like I say, those nurses, they were so nice.
While he's recovering, Roy hopes by sharing his story, people will appreciate life a little bit more.
God gave me another chance by letting me live. Life is great. Let's go out and enjoy it.
He says he still has no idea how he got the virus, but sees it as a second chance.
Trust in God and be strong.
Now, Roy says he is looking forward to the day where he is well enough to donate blood to medical research in hopes of helping current patients, saying while he will never know if plasma technology could have helped him recover faster, he wants others to never have to go through this.